my Facebook group, 3D Printing and Tinkering, 3DHP. I just want to do a quick video here. I'm messing around with OSB, or OBS, I guess it's called. And just wanted to welcome all the new members that I haven't already welcomed into the group. I have a new camcorder that I ordered that's coming tomorrow. I want to start filming more content for my YouTube channel, which is called Jerry's Projects 3DHP. You can find it by either name. And the reason I went with the logo 3DHP, which stands for 3D Hobbies and Projects. So it's a little more official, sounds better than, just hear the word Jerry's Projects. As you can see behind me, I've been printing for about 11 months now, and I do a lot of printing. As you can see, I have a lot of models behind me. I have more on another shelf over here that's off camera that you've seen in other videos, and I basically print 24/7 now on 3 printers. I have 2 Creality CR10s and a Creality Ender 3, which is like a baby CR10. It works great. It's not no better or worse than a CR10. It's just smaller. It runs very fast. It just works great. I still have a few bugs to work at it, but as with any printer, you got to tweak everything and get it fine-tuned the way you like it. On the top shelf behind me, I have quite a few heads by Build It and They Will Come. It's a company out of the UK. It's a monthly subscription service. It costs me roughly $14.69 a month, and a monthly payment out of my PayPal account, and they give you 1 file plus a bonus file. It's part of a bigger build, usually a couple parts that goes with it. I've been with them for quite a while. They have some great prints, and I've had no issues whatsoever. If you guys want to check them out, it's at a Build It and They Will Come. I have links all over my pages, or any of the heads that I post, I always put a link to their company if you'd like to check them out. And then for close to 11 months now, I've been printing a lot of Sanix models. And Sanix has also got a lot of great stuff. As seen behind me, the Ghostbusters, the Hulk, Flash, there's just Deadpool. There's just so much that he prints. And that's at Malik's3Ddesign.com. And every time I post anything that I'm building, I always post a picture, a link where it came from, and then usually the specs on what I printed, how I printed it, and what filament I used. And currently I'm using white CC Tree PLA. It's working great for me. I'm not sure if it does for everybody. I've had no issues. I've tried their black also. I prefer the white. I do get a little bit more stringing with the black, occasionally on the white. Currently on my 2 printers, I posted a quick video yesterday. I'm printing the Magneto bust from Sanix at like 225%. I want it to be as big as the heads behind me on the shelf. And the head it's probably a third of the way done right now. Once it's done, then I have to do the base that goes down to the bottom, and then the shoulder pad. So I'll probably be printing it for close to a week. And then on the other printer, I'm printing the Magneto diorama. The base should be done sometime today, and then I'll move on to the body and other parts. I had a few issues with the head printing out at 100% scale, but Sanix, there's a time difference, so once he was aware of the problem, he corrected it right away. So I'm reprinting the head right now on the Ender 3 back behind me. Emilio Vitt is another great designer. I've got quite a few things from him. The Jason, the Hellboy behind me, the Superman. There's quite a few things I've printed from Emilio Vitt. Any of his work that's online, you can always PM him, send him a personal message, and he will let you know how much he's selling the SDL for, and all his stuff prints great. Let's see, who else can I give credit to? Can't really think of anybody, but there's a lot of great designers out there. Oh, Victor Vasquez. Here's what I'm currently working on by Victor. It's an alien, and he's ripping open some cargo doors on a ship, and he's coming to get you, basically. And it's like, honey, I'm home, a phrase from The Shining when he's breaking through the door with an axe. But this is coming out really nice. I still have a lot of work to do on it. When I printed it on my CR10, I laid it down flat. I could have made it a little bit bigger, and Victor reminded me the way he printed his, he printed the backdrop, the back piece upright. That way he was able to make it a lot larger. And even then, you could always turn it diagonal and go even bigger than that. But it's looking great. It's coming out really nice. He recreated this from another statue, another plaque that cost quite a bit of money online. And he put his own spin on it. It's looking really good. And if any of you guys would like to print this, you can make it at any size you want, bigger, smaller. PM Victor Vasquez on Facebook, and he can hook you up. He doesn't want much for it. It's a great file. It looks really good. So anyway, what else can I talk about? Well, I got a camcorder, like I said, camcorder and a rig coming tomorrow. I want to get it all set up and start doing more filming. Most of my filming in the past has been on a little bitty tiny knockoff GoPro, and it's just hard to work with. I wanted something bigger that has a screen I can flip around. I would like to start doing streaming, but I just haven't done it yet. It's kind of hard talking to the camera and no one else is in the room or with you to give you moral support or throw questions at you. You're just looking at the screen. Anyway, that's about it. I'm going to quit rambling on here, but I thought I'd share with you guys. Thank you to all the new members. Thank you for everybody and all your content. We all love your posts. There's no print that's a bad print, and there's nothing that you painted that you should be embarrassed about. We're all here to help each other and share with each other, and I hope you guys keep posting. More the better. Tell your friends about the group. I'm trying to grow it. I want to try to grow my YouTube channel, which is called Jerry's Projects or 3DHP. Either one will get you there. I don't have very many subscribers right now, but then I haven't been putting up much content. I would love to get over 1,000 subscribers and get monetized and start doing more and more and more. I'm 53 years old. I'll be 54 here in a couple weeks. I'm retired from construction here in Las Vegas. This is what I do full time. I print, I paint occasionally when I get motivated. I watch a lot of Netflix and things like that, but this is my life now. I love it. I live in Las Vegas, Nevada, here in the USA. It's nice meeting all you guys. I hope that one of these days I can make it to one of the conventions back east where I can meet everybody. Oh, well, another thing, a lot of products I buy from th3d.com. Timothy Hooglin has a lot of great products on his website. One of the guys that helps him out a lot is called Tor Blazley. Tor is a great guy. He helps people out when they have problems. Whenever I'm in the group and I have an issue with anything, I just tag either Tor or Timothy. They usually come right away if they see the post, and they're more than willing to help people out. Tiny Machines out of Texas has a lot of Creality products if you need anything from Creality. And then again, I buy on Amazon a lot also. So anyway, I guess that's about it for now. I thank you for watching, and everybody happy printing and have a great day, all right? Thank you.